You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation for more confusing French vocabulary and names of more politicians. Make sure to stay tuned. So let's look at the French way of saying it and how you can easily say it in English as well. Sébastien, 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 Lecornu, 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 Sébastien Lecornu. I know if you cannot speak French, it's probably not that easy. Sébastien Lecornu. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.